Hi guys, Artist here, and today I'm going to be doing drawing famous jammers. I am also going to, this is like a new tradition for my channel. I'm also, every, Wednesday, I'm going to be doing something that involves art. It can be speed paints, it can be whatever. You can comment down below what I should draw next, whatever. Like today I'm doing drawing famous jammers. I mean, I just think it's a fun idea. My friend Silkark, she actually does this, not with art, but with challenges every Wednesday, so I just got some inspiration from her. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First up is Apari. Let's go try and draw him blindfolded. Okay, before I close my eyes, let me just get his colors. I bet he has some black in there. I don't watch Apari too much, but I know he's like kind of magenta. I think red. It's mostly magenta and red. I know he has like a brown beard. Let's see. I think that's pretty good. Okay. Wish me a luck, guys. Let me try. So, I think this is his beard, and maybe this is his snout and his head. I don't really know what he looks like too much. Maybe this is his body, his tail. I'm not even trying. Oh, he also has this nice warm blanket on the back of him. His signature top hat. I know that. Okay, now let's get to the colors. The color of it. Okay. And then maybe a ground. I think he's perfection, guys. Let's check him out. Oh my goodness! Oh no! That's awful! Oh, I'm sorry, Apari. That's just, I think these are his legs. What did I do to you? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just move on to the next one. The next one is the one and only Wisteria Moon. Let me do her colors. I think there's some pink in there. Purple. I mean, that's, yeah, I don't know. Red, maybe? Yeah, maybe some red on her top hat. I know there's some brown. That's really all I know, guys. I don't know much about these YouTubers. Let me go see a picture of her. Here's a picture, a little drawing, but it looks like her, kind of. There's some black, brown, yellow. I think I was on. I think I forgot the yellow. But I think I got everything. Let me go back. Oh gee guys, I already messed up. This is not gonna be good. Okay, let me get that yellow in here. I'm gonna try and do my best. I don't watch a lot of Wisteria Moon. So here it goes. Okay, I think this is the brown I chose, yeah. Maybe this is her paw, belly, or paw, another paw, and then her tail. Her back, her snout, and then let's do, I think this is pink, is her top hat. Yep, this is gonna be a fail. And then let's see. And then she has like elf bracelets, is that right? Oh, she also has an elf tail. I think I'm still on pink, so let me fill in that tail. And then purple. Yes, purple. Perfection. And then do little dots because it's an elf tail. And go back to brown and fill her in. I think this is going to be a masterpiece, guys. This is going to be amazing. Let's see. Beautiful. That is perfection. You know what, guys? We're keeping it. We're keeping it. Yes. Let's do the glitched frame. Perfect. Perfect. Come on. Come on, I want it. Yes, queen. Perfect. Let's move on to the next one, guys. That was the best. Oh my gosh, that should be worth a long spike. The next one is my personal favorite, Scorm. I think he's just really good. He's a really good YouTuber, and I really like his outfits. So let's get to it. Okay, let's get his color. I know he's like mostly blue, maybe some dark blue. Some light blue. Isn't there like some really dark blue on his top hat? I think there's some green on his ring. And oh yeah, it's black long. That's like the signature black long with some white. Okay, guys, wish me luck. Here we go. So let's start with his top hat this time. I think that's good. And then maybe fill that with blue. And then let's go back to black. And then here's his snout, and then go down his ear, and then his leg. This is gonna be a masterpiece again. His leg. I don't know. And oh, let's do his back, and then his tail. I think that's it. Oh, his glitched ring. He needs his glitched ring right there. And then he needs this, and let's the blue and fill him in. Fill him in. Oh, he needs the light blue on the bottom. Oh yeah, his eyes. I think I'm clicking right color. Black. His eyes. Okay. I think he's perfection. Yes, let's see. Perfection. Who wouldn't want that? That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Did I change a color? Did I? Oh my goodness. Perfect. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh jeez. Okay. 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 Yep. 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 Beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. Love it. Let's move on to the next one, guys. The next one is Julian 2. Now, I don't watch much of his videos, but I'll try. This is going to be the last famous jammer, because I don't really know many more. So yeah, I might do Sino. I might, but let's see how long this takes. So he's mostly like brown and white. I know he has like a little bit of blue in his monocle, and maybe some like gray for a sword. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Just. Okay, I'm just messing. Okay, here's his snout. Well, and then maybe his mane. And his neck. Maybe this is his. Well, maybe his leg. His other leg. And then maybe this is his tail. His sword. Oh, his monocle. His famous monocle. I know that. I know my friend really likes Julian 2. I'm more of a Pari fan, but yeah. Do that. Is this brown? Yeah, I think that's brown. Fill him in. And I think that's good, guys. Let's see. I bet he's fabulous. Fabulous. Who don't want this? This is perfect. I mean, this is probably the best one I've done. His mane? His monocle? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I think that's it for my video. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm really excited for more videos like this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.